Welcome guys, we're back with a bang and showcasing our amazing new treatment here at the clinic, the 7-point shape. This is the ultimate full face beautification package using dermal fillers for real wow factor results.
So this is the first time I'm having this treatment. A little bit nervous, but also excited. For me, it's sort of some areas where there are some fine lines, wrinkles, a fresher look, definitely a natural look. So I don't want it to seem as if I've had any treatment or work done. And just to feel more confident in my appearance, fresher, and feel a little bit more like myself.
So the 7-point shape improves sunken temples, helping to elevate the brow. The cheek at the back here to create some lift and improve definition to the cheekbone. The jawline and contour of the face that improves definition. And then moving on to the chin, restoring volume to areas around the chin, help to create a better appearance to the lower face. So all in all, a great treatment for beautification, looking fresher and younger. We're going to be using these areas at the back, so that's our main anti-aging points. So everything that we do at the back helps to lift and restore volume where it's been lost over time, and that's why these areas at the front of the face become heavier. So when we revolumize those areas, then you get natural lift as well. So rather than just treating the lines, we're actually treating the underlying cause. So everything we do here is also preventing things from moving forward and down as quickly as well. That in conjunction with the chin as well. So what happens is the chin rolls upwards with time. And if you imagine if you've lost volume at the back, this area here becomes heavy and then the chin recesses, then you've got the combination of those two elements that create heaviness to the jowl. So this is all going to be better after the treatment. We're going to use roughly 6 or 7 mils. So 5 syringes or 5 mils fit into 1 teaspoon. So it's small amounts in multiple locations to give you the best overall result.
And how long do the results last?
2 years. So you're always going to look slightly better for it. Even if you never maintain it. Maintenance though is roughly 1 mil every 6 to 9 months. So from that perspective, it's a trip into clinic once or twice a year. And that just means that you can use small amounts and maintain consistent results. FYI, the red line is probably the most important vessel in the face that we demarcate before injecting from a safety perspective. So you don't want to go near the red line. Pray. I'm joking. I'm joking.
How's it going so far, Surekha?
Yeah, not too bad.
So now I'm going to sit her back up and then mark out the chin. So come and sit straight up for me. That's pretty good already, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah. You're going to look unbelievable. Excellent day. It's all done, man. So we're going to do the big reveal.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. That's crazy.
What are the first things that came to your mind?
I just look about 10 years younger. And just, I think it's more my cheeks here. That's really amazing. And just look fresh. And I've got no makeup on.
Take a look at the nose to mouth lines.
Mm.
Take a look at the eyes, looking brighter and more open.
Absolutely.
Take a look at the temples, which are now less hollow, which help to create the appearance of more open eye and refreshed appearance to the upper face. You can see the cheekbones being lifted, improved contour and definition to the jawline. Coming down to the chin, where you have softening of this crease under the lip, which opens the chin, creating more V shape to the face.
That's insane. Thank you so much. And actually, yeah, the contouring is amazing. And you never realise actually the effect that the chin has on the rest of your face.
Most of the time, the feedback on doing this is I don't need to wear as much makeup.
No, I would feel fine not wearing anything. And
second to that, I think if you were to look straight away, it wasn't, oh my God, my face has changed.
No, it's so natural. It's very subtle, very subtle.
So we really do want people leaving with other people going, you look great, you look well, but we can't work out what's happened.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely. It went really well, actually. I mean, it wasn't as painful as I was expecting, a lot quicker. And to be honest, I can't believe the results. It looks so natural, but I can tell the difference, which is the most important thing. And when you look at the before and after photos, it's quite significant. But as I said, I would feel comfortable just going out with no makeup on now, so good stuff.
That was genuinely amazing to see Surekha's reaction with the mirror afterwards. And that was the 7-point shape using 8 mils of filler. And you can tell how important it is that you need to use the right quantities to get you guys the best overall aesthetic outcome. Any comments or questions, pop them on the boxes below and we'll get back to you, and check out our social media links.